And finally, a few days later, I finished the restoration of this beautiful painting, Tarquin and Lucrezia by Titian. Okay, what about that? This is the witness, and now you can see all the faces in all their splendor as it should be. Go see the previous video to see how the painting looked like before this restoration. It was in poor condition. Look at the detail in the curtain alone, the jewelry. Queen Tarquin's garments, very ornate. Yeah, I'm very proud of this restoration. Here you can see after Titianus. So I hope you like it. Leave your comments, share the video. Okay, this is a restoration of Tarquin and Lucrezia by Titian. This is a huge painting. I think it's about 3 feet by 4 feet. Okay, I hope you like it. Alright, today is May the 15th, 2020.